Here's a comparison video of between my blue Honeywell fan compared to my Holmes Blizzard Jr. This is going to be a fun comparison, actually. So, the Holmes Blizzard Jr., which is the one on the right, this one is about like 6 or 7 inches. I honestly don't know how big it is, but okay. Yeah, it doesn't tilt much, but yeah, it's so stiff. The Honeywell, on the other hand, apparently is blue, and it tilts pretty easily. So it's easier to use. Moving on to the side of the fans, the Holmes Blizzard Jr. is a little shorter because it's not the same size exactly. It's like half a centimeter shorter than the Honeywell. And there's the back. They do kind of look the same. So you can see the Honeywell has 3 speeds. You probably can't see it, but okay, there it is. You can see that the Honeywell has 3 speeds. The Holmes has 2. So, yeah, I've been wanting to do this comparison for a while. This is kind of interesting because the Holmes has 2. This is 3 speeds. Start with the Honeywell on low. Wait, never mind. Actually, I never actually compared the blades. So the blades on the Holmes are actually a bit wider than these. Also the grills are actually different. I have compared this one with my white Honeywell, which I don't have anymore. So let's go ahead and start the Honeywell off on low again. Yeah, definitely pretty powerful too. Here's the Holmes Blizzard on low. Yeah, and I'm just gonna say it. Here's the Honeywell on high. There's the Honeywell on high speed. It does tilt pretty easily. And here's the Holmes Blizzard on high. Whoops. There we go. So not much. It doesn't blow as much air as the Honeywell, and it's more louder. And here's both of them running. So with the Holmes, it is mostly. This is like as far as I can feel it. Yeah, it's not really as powerful. With the Honeywell, yeah, this thing is more powerful, a lot quieter. So it's definitely So in my opinion, I think the Honeywell is better. But comment down below what you think. Which fan do you think won? Also, what else should I compare this to?